making my way to P&R Builders Merchants, where I'm going to be getting a 7-foot slotted concrete post and a 12-inch recessed gravel board, because I will be fitting up a new fence panel today. Ta-da! That's a 7-foot slotted concrete post with a 12-inch gravel board sitting underneath it. 2 bags of Postcrete is going to be just perfect. Now I am going to get my kneeler because I never work without it. There's certain things that I discipline myself to do. Always use this. I've already got a worn out hip. I need a hip replacement, really. No sympathy needed. I'm quite used to it. It is what it is. Constantly reminding myself to go at a steady pace. Let's get this one out. Don't want to make a massive hole. I only want the hole to be wide enough, big enough, so that I can get the new post in, you know, with some clearance all the way around it. Oh God, oh, I'm losing it. Oh, hang on, it's on my foot as well. Oh, get off. Oh, dirty. Really wedged. Oh. So you have to be extra careful. You do need, you know, you've got to keep safety in mind. Like this, I've got to put to one side. So I'd used wooden gravel boards before because I'd used wooden fence posts, but they're rubbish because they rot. Yeah, a fair bit of wobble on that. But they're not going to be enough for me to give it a bear hug and lift it out. Oh my word, you got no chance. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. In the comments, tell me how you get on with doing this kind of thing. Is it going to move? Goodness me! Oh no! No! It's not moving at all. Oh, yes! 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 I've got that gravel board in now, and I've got that gravel board level. As you can see, we're stepping up. I'm just going to get my last post in. Yeah, I've got to cut this panel down. Awkward. Come with me. I'm going to show you what I've done to the other side, the neighbour's garden. Look, did this shaped border, look, and the rockery. Look at this beautiful alpine. This purple alpine, I love that. heathers and lavender and pansies, and that one's struggling a bit because of the shrub, because it's been so dry and hot. I mowed all this lawn yesterday and did all the shrubs, look. Did loads of work yesterday in here. This standard rose, which I sprayed with soapy water because it's got that black spot. Soapy water just to kill that off. If I could just get this to hold. That's good enough for me. That's not the language to be using when you're a tradesman. In other words, what I'm trying to say is it's good to get it right. You don't have to be Mr. Perfectionist though, you know what I mean? Right. This one's not going in the ground that far, to be honest. I think I'm going to be okay. It's just, it really is difficult to get all this concrete out. I'm quite happy with that level. Yeah. Right, I don't want that moving. Bag of Postcrete, quick. Right, these are a really handy little blade to have. Keep it in a drawer somewhere where you can get it easily anytime. Postcrete straight from the bag, pour in the water, soaks through, grab a prodder rodder. A prodder rodder means anything. You can prod the Postcrete compact, squidging the water through it. Lovely jubbly. Plenty of it. The fence, and do you know what? I'm not going to need to put another concrete post in. You're going to take that post out, even if I have to cut it off at ground level. Great. Panel into the slot, and along there there's a wooden post that's sort of braced and attached to the shed. I'm going to screw my panel to that post. No more concrete posting to do.